thing number 4 that I love about ladybird deeds. At least in Florida, there is no Medicaid estate recovery for individuals who have received Medicaid benefits during their life on the home if they have a ladybird deed in place. So different states handle Medicaid recovery differently. Florida has what's called a narrow definition of estate recovery for Medicaid purposes. And basically that just means that Medicaid can go after anything rolling through the probate process. At the time of a Medicaid recipient's death, whatever's going through probate, Medicaid can go after it and say, hey, judge, not so fast. We've put out hundreds of thousands of dollars for Mrs. Jones's Medicaid in the last 5 years, and we want to be paid back. And the judge will honor that kind of creditor claim. If you structure your assets to avoid the probate process altogether, then there is no venue or forum for Medicaid estate recovery to come forward and say, hey, judge, because there is no judge. So ladybird deeds are a great option for avoiding the Medicaid estate recovery unit for people that may be receiving Medicaid benefits during their life. Now, many people will ask me the question, well, how about a revocable living trust? That avoids probate. And the answer is yes. Technically, the revocable living trust and a property contained therein at the time of death will pass outside the probate process. However, there is a theoretical issue with that, because in Florida, a trustee or a successor trustee of a revocable living trust has an obligation to pay just debts of the grantor or the person creating the trust upon their death. So in practice, it typically doesn't get done because trustees don't know they have that obligation to Medicaid. But in a perfect world, I like the property to pass by way of ladybird deed, whether into a trust or preferably directly to beneficiaries. And that eliminates even the possibility that Medicaid could ever come back in the future against the trustee and say, wait a minute, you had an obligation in the trust administration to pay debts. We were a known creditor, and so you gave money to beneficiaries that you should not have. So I hope that helps. And again, reason number 4, stay tuned. We have 2 more reasons I love ladybird deeds. Have a great day.